Hi there. In this video, what I'm going to show you is just very quickly how to merge two rasters together. And in fact, when I say merge, this is really going to be a almost like an append, because as you can see here, I've got this raster here. No prizes for guessing where, and you can see the edge of another where it cuts off here. And if I click on this raster, you can see on the other side of the sea there. So I want to effectively merge these two together, but of course they're not overlapping. These two rasters are simply going to align, and that's all I want to do. It's a very simple process. So on tutorial raster here, I'm going to put this SRTM from the space shuttle, raster data, 3602, the TIF, effectively appended onto this one. With a right hand mouse click on my target raster, I go to load and load data. We get this view. So I want to take this one and I can just drag it in. On all these sort of processing tools here from the toolbox, you can drag files onto the input box, and as you can see, we can add and remove at will. There's the browse button there as well to go straight to whatever you want. So we could add a whole selection here, but I'm just going to do it on one. There's a few options here. We're not going to go into great detail, but very briefly, it's about if these are going to overlap, then what cell values take precedence, in fact, and indeed with regard to the color map mode, again, which will be applied to the output. Use help, etc., to get a bit more information on that. But I just want to simply stick these two rasters together and create a single one of a larger area. I press OK. You can see the Mosaic running down here. That's what it's called, and you can see the egg timer up here in the current session in the results window for the geoprocessing results. It's finished. I've got a green tick down here. You can see. Let's get rid of that, and I can look at the processing results here. Just look what happened. Succeeded. That's great. Took 11 seconds. That's fine. And the output raster was this one. Well, if we go to the output raster, you can now see what we've got. So we've got the two appended together effectively. So that's what I had in that one I just loaded, and that's the two together. So I could carry on and start to put them all together, really, all these SRTMs. Let's see what this one is. Looks like the northwest corner of France there, Normandy and stuff. So I could go load tutorial raster, data. Let's drag that one in. Again, like I said, I could drag lots in, and target is tutorial raster. I don't have to do this one by one. I can add many in. So we've now got another egg timer again there. You see with Mosaic. That's the tool running. And so this is the one that's being tacked on. It's sort of Normandy and stuff, Brittany. So go to here, and there you see. So this single tutorial raster 1, this TIF, is now being slowly sort of expanded as these TIF files are all added to it effectively. So it's a different. I'll do something else a bit more with regard to merging. Which obviously that's for a different purpose. The only purpose I wanted here was to bring these raster TIFF files all together into one single layer. That was my purpose of this, and hence the right hand mouse click load data is all I needed to do. Well, I hope that's useful, and there'll be more on rasters again in some other videos. And note I just used default ArcCatalog in 10.5, no extensions. There's no additional extensions needed for that process. Anyway, please subscribe if you'd like to see lots more videos. Thank you very much.